Hey everyone, this is Gina with Purdue Extension Floyd County, and I'm here at another pollinator hotspot. It's a private residence, and this is a residence that has been planted in a lot of native plantings, and we've been able to use the seeds here, not me personally, but a group of master gardeners and some master naturalists have gone out to this site and other sites around the county to collect seeds for Project Wingspan, which helps distribute native plant seeds throughout the different regions in not just the state of Indiana, but throughout the country. So today we're gonna kind of see what's planted here and what it might look like in your yard. So in this patch, you can see there are some asters. This is a great fall blooming plant that the pollinators can use to get pollen and nectar. There's also a few other plants in here, some daisies and some sunflowers. There's also in the back, there's some boneset, and then some what's called beggar's tick. That's the yellow flower. Maybe not the best, depends on maybe not the best plant that you want. Depends on how frequently you go outside, because it does have little seed heads that get stuck to you. And so you may not enjoy that one near as much as some of the other yellow flowers, like the goldenrods and the sunflowers and the daisies. Here you can see that there's some goldenrod. There's some like compass plants at the back. Those tall yellow flowers. Then there's some blue mist. You can see there's also a lot of native grasses. So native grasses are great in pollinator habitats. A lot of our pollinators that overwinter use those native grasses because they're bunch grasses, and they can overwinter kind of in the root system and in that clump of the native grasses. Then if we look over here, there's some sunflowers and some zinnias. Again, zinnias aren't perennials for us, but they are a great annual to put out for the pollinators so that they can get some nectar to get them through the fall. So this plant, you may have, if you have areas that you don't mow as frequently, is a native aster. You can see here, it's got this nice little white flower that the pollinators enjoy. Right now, it's on the cusp of blooming, so in just a couple of days, maybe even a week, it'll be at full bloom and full of these amazing white flowers that the pollinators will just be all over. Here you can see some of the native blue stem grasses along with wing stem. So this plant is a great yellow flower. Multiple flowers on each plant. And you can see that the pollinators are really enjoying this one as well. It's another great fall one. So it's now September, and you can see this one's still not quite in full bloom, but enough blooms to help get the pollinators into the later part of fall. If you're looking for a great perennial for your garden that doesn't require a lot of care, sedums are a great way to go. So sedums are pretty drought tolerant. They have a thick waxy leaf on them, and that helps them get through our dry spells. But you can see that the skippers and the bees and stuff really enjoy those light pink flowers. So this is a great one, again, that you can put in your landscape and help the pollinators, but also maybe make your landscaping a little less work for you. Another plant you can put in your garden is catmint. So catmint has a great purple flower. The bumblebees really enjoy it. You might have some cats that enjoy it too. It's called nepeta. There's lots of great plants you can pick. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email at gmanders@purdue.edu. Thanks for joining us.